Alright, welcome back at another vlog. Today I am going to check out a camper. We are looking for a new van to make a camper out of it and tour for a few years. I also found another van which is already a camper, not our taste, but it's a nice basis to convert. We will get everything out, sell some parts and rebuild it our own way. It's like 1.5 hour drive, so I take the motorcycle and I'm gonna check if it's something to buy, if it's a nice van. It's a little bit older, but still as it's on the internet, it should be a pretty nice one. So I really hope that it's gonna be a really good option, and I'm gonna check it first, and if it's an option then I will be back with Emma. First I have to check what kind of van it is and which state it's in. So I'm now at the van and it's looking pretty okay. It's not too much rust, just a little bit of course. The inside is... This is going really smooth. Look at this, the chairs, they turn like this. That's a really nice thing, so we can make a table here. So we have more space, more room here for a little shower, stuff like that. The bed is also perfect. It's 140, 190. Some drawers, and also water tank is here. There's a drawer here. I don't know, man. There's a battery over here. It's a small one with a converter. 220 volts. Yeah. And then back there's a bike rack. That's pretty okay. And I really like how much space you've got here. How's this closing up? Let's see. This closes. So right now I am driving the camper van and testing it all out. It's holding up pretty good. I'm getting really excited about this van because it's a little bit older maybe, but still going strong. It drives like a charm, and yeah, let's hope Emma thinks the same. Just for testing, it's okay, and yeah, check the back. The back is also going pretty okay. Emma thinks of it. Here's to check. I like it a lot, actually. The price, and we can make a pretty nice van out of it. So, yeah. Let's hope for the best. Alright, we are back. So I'm back. And it's a nice trip. It's quite a long drive. Like 1.5 hours, but it's worth it. I think this is the one. So I really think this is the right camper for us. Let's hope that the price is right. We are gonna make this an epic project, so stay tuned if you want to see how we are gonna convert this to a super epic camper van. And subscribe, stay tuned, see you next time. So let's type oh yeah. High five. We've bought ourselves a van. Super nice.